Any good doctor needs good tools and equipment to diagnose the disease. Servicemen are doctors of HVAC and refrigeration systems. They need their own diagnostic devices to discover problems on time and avoid system failure. This is where Bunn comes in. Bunn family products are designed to monitor the functionality and health of HVAC/R systems. They measure and record critical parameters of your refrigerator, such as temperature, current, and pressure, in order to monitor the heartbeat of the system. They can push automated phone calls, text messages, and email alerts if any parameters go off the adjustable bounds. All it takes is a 2 minutes installation. Plug and play. What's better than receiving hands-free assistance from the Bunn? How can Bunn benefit you? Become a hero. Bunn can save your client's business and give them peace of mind. Make their fridge smart. Help them stay informed so they don't need to worry about fridge breakdowns. Become a psychic overnight. Get notified about the problems before they actually arise and schedule a repair visit in advance. Stay one step ahead. Time is money. Bunn can help you diagnose and pinpoint the problem fast and easy so you can make more money in style. Be on top of things. Bunn will be your eyes and monitor everything for you. You can shape an effortless 24/7 monitoring and protection plan for your clients with a monthly subscription. Let Bunn make you money and help you become a superstar.